Yep, I'm right. Hey you guys, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the great state of Michigan. If you're new to the channel, I'm James. And as you can tell by the title up above, we're opening up the Dinan cold air intake for the BMW M340i. All right, you guys, let's cut into this here. Let's see what we got. I want to be careful because our product inside is all carbon fiber. Last thing I want to do is snag something and scratch it. Let's see what we got here. All right.
Ooh, a bunch of packing peanuts.
Peanuts. All right. I will give them credit, man. They went above and beyond with this whole packing thing. Oh, what's this? Oh, clamp. Okay.
Nope.
Put that right there. I think this is the only piece in this box right here. In here is the actual intake. This little elbow right here was extra. But I wanted the whole kit, you guys. So let's open this up and let's see what we got here. They made sure it was packaged well, folks. All right, you ready? Here we go. Oh, wow. That's pretty sharp, y'all. Look at that. Man, that's high quality inside of it. Isn't that cool, you guys? I think this is the part that attaches to the turbo. And then this creates the velocity stack for the intake. All right, on to our second box. If you guys like the way that elbow looks, you're gonna really like what the rest of this looks like. All right. I'm gonna guess and say this is probably the important piece that everybody wants to see right here. See if I can get it up without dumping peanuts all over my floor and table. Okay. Oh wow, they got a heat shield on it and everything. That's cool. I like that. All right, so here's the box that holds the element. Put this over here. What do we got here? Oh, is this our lid? I think this is our carbon fiber lid.
Oops.
Yep, I'm right. What do you think of that, folks? Does that look good? Now, if you'll notice, this lid has a recess right here. They sell two different styles of lids. I bought the one with the recess in it because eventually we are going to put the Dinan strut tower braces on the BMW. Next, we got some couplers. Put them over here. Next, I'm hoping more carbon fiber. I'm thinking this is the piece that actually comes out of the air box and attaches to the elbow that we unboxed in our very first box. Let's see here. What do you guys think of that, huh? Is that sharp or what? They did a really nice job. This carbon looks grade A. It's going to do something along the lines of this. I don't know exactly how it's going to go, but it'll be doing something along the lines of this. Actually, probably, oh yeah, see it's got the bolts, so it'll go like this then. We gotta figure out the exact way it's gonna go, but, yep, something like, oh, here we go, it's like this. That's how it's gonna go. It'll be facing down when it goes on. So, all right, cool. And last but not least is our filter element. Check out that beautiful blue thing, huh? Isn't that pretty sharp? All right, well, now we got her unboxed. Our next video, we'll be installing it. Well, if you guys enjoyed this unboxing video and you look forward to seeing me install this Dinan cold air intake on the M345, give us a like, smash that subscribe. Catch you guys in the next one. Peace, everybody.